Abusua me hwepe tatakra mu a chese Galamsey asintu fi o my Ghana mu no na obia ko asitire because sade chese amanfo esini nkofo nya beef ene banter e wo Galamsey ho no. What I said last week, Mebeka Chao said, Okatakyie Afrifa as a strong message to Yaya of Apeni, the Chairman General, Kwami Sefa Kayi. Sefa Kayi, may you sure Sefa Kayi. Chairman General, Kwami Sefa Kayi, also send the message at the Ama Eye Okatakyie Afrifa. Abuja, na Prophet Kofi Oduro, tie! Pacho say utie, no waje so, ye tie. God will judge you. Abuja, and also send the message to Abaya or Teso and then paying for. Nina eye Galamsey chese essay o my Ghana yensuo ene yemfudie de obi aka bia no strong media ye wa haidie ye de besomo na wahudie koso e wo o my Ghana emu eye strong media GH mesel say obe subscribe to channel no na uwie a wabo adoma ne so say de be ya me drop video obe first person onsa ebeka na wahudie e koso na uwie a masrew say obekire wadwen afa video ho e wo comment section na wa share so ama wonu abi ensa atumi aka me do ko achi kakra last week na beka che say honorable set Kwami Champon ekopie mu e wo kokroko ejumade so Peace FM na bra one chairman general twetwe komo no komo ni ba bi kokofa Galamsey ho e ma chairman general kra ka say ono kra de say de Galamsey si ko no e kamia say anhwe years to come no ye benya rebels kwa Ghana ha say hwe hwade kakra
Ose mokwana nipa o hebe 400. Nti ya fa ne se nipa phobia kutetuo ba akwa. Na si 200. Ana na wo ho.
Chema bebe ametintimi bo hu nkonta. De minim no ekire
meti ase pa. Onim na misuro. Oni say we are creating a rebel armed force. He created rebels out of this. Ain't he created ain't he France nipa 400 or 200 on sa kakra
Fachemi se wo mu abose na ma twere ngoma ba se etu a ye tutututu na yi ase ahemfo ba ye nyaa no.
Yes.
Enu nti na ye de sa amane bo ne sa da wo bo ne ba no.
Yeah.
Umwa na yedidi echirade akojibi. Umwa na yedidi echiri ni akojibi nanso ehu nti osi adwun your man ho yie.
Cause Galamsey for create enti kakaka omodoso kakaka no ma be na bring back a ragtag army. Just a soldier for yen shed train you omoye. Nso mo tuo omoye mema omunimto. Say omo decide say Accra Kumasi Kramo block no. Omi nipa 200. Ombe easy. Easy. That's the bigger problem we're faced with. You say Bamba or hospital me the intern American say omu decide say omu your margin say Galamsey boys be 200 300 will be a pump action. No block Kumasi road. Fine. By the time you did buy more for the corner, none of me no my.
I know na Kwame make say my and tram for phone.
Very good. Enti video ni die. Enkomo we and the course so Okatakyie Afrifa so every man reply wo asama eye chairman general e kan ye ho.
Bekwe we ni Jerry mo former boss. Ode nsem ya tuja say Galamsey no ehu na ebe raise eye your friend say rebels rag tax in the term we use you no. Oh, okay. Or say ebe raise rag tax, yes sir. True. Well ebe see. Sefa Kayi asem na wo kan de e good pie no kore nso. Na emo no sa time journalist mpanimfo a mo kurum ha. Kan kure bi kire mo. Hwe mo hypocrisy ne ade na ese mo jai. Kwami Sefa Kayi obi a me penasem pa but the hypocrisy involved because Sefa Kayi wo mo ye Galamsey nyina no pa bi o mbetena wanim. Ano pa bi anu mo di nkomo. You know. So if you know and you think that is harmful, then tell them in their face that they are more than that time.
It's a nyade fufro bia.
Nyade fufro. When you mama ya Galamsey.
I see.
Eba. Sefa Kayi, so tell them.
In their faces.
Nini anomuka ho. Journalists for ka ho. Ayi politicians on better na wanim de bia. Wo mo ka ho. Wo mo nyina Galamsey. Eti ka no kura chere o manyasa.
No mo nto mo hase.
Ya asisa de no ya no time na ehu. Aha we di anope no friendly fire.
And as a mood cranye, I never who
but hypocrisy must be.
That's right.
When the says or minor gase no dia and I'm pass therefore if the man tell my bono mujina a Galamsey site one. Ya top pump action ni tua kasia kromo.
Sophisticated weapons.
Yes. Now I'm gonna talk about man almost scared to
only capre.
Pump action back 16,000.
Only capre.
A advance one at 35,000. I'm not almost scared to
only capre.
Politicians here at home. We are politicians in the better who Sefa Kayi when him and no pair we are number. Show one him catch them said them in Kwasiasem.
Can credit from
journalists of Forden Thomas woman him Kroma. What's him more and conform your prime ministers who Kroma Matthias Simwa. Documents you were moody forest in your now young
documents of
coffee shop mafia. What I'm saying, it's when dear papa, Yenina Filu. And so when him said the question, let's look into the face of the people who are committing these atrocities and tell them
the truth.
Very
good. Enti de Okatakyie Afrifa eka yensunie. Na chairman general say there be parties obi di me see the radio station so say enkrofo omutu Galamsey no me do mu ba me platform so me do ba me show yi so na so wantimi amodin ono so a wantimi amoni pakrodi nipa no bi pa asem sura asem o ebi mo pa asem me hu yo ye be ma na nko obodin ne ya hwa ade ne ya hwa ade
Omo ye djuma no man panyifo no bi no.
Omo nim panyimfo a edu.
Panyin sa de bia mo ka me si mumodin. Nso bia edu apena obi asuro so bebodi. Mumodin e. Mo si mo nim panyifo asomo mumodin. Yesi o
media.
Yesi
sa akonwa mu.
Yesi obi
nim dia. Ene na wo so go problem.
Nana. Wona be kan wo me media so. Ena me si bodin.
What to me about media.
Nana una woka.
Na kokofu ka se aban na ya de se Opa Galamsey adwuma problem ho ntoman ne ade o de matu dwa no enye media for na wo ka se wo no mo bia se adwuma yi
me boy Erastus
minim de TV3 for so aye nan say ya
ena mo bo wan
di se wo de tu dwa ama amanfo adwene akoso se
ena mo bo wan din
de be ka enye din bo no na me ka me kira wo se wo mo pa sa asem ho ntoma biawu
onim ne ntia
ya ho so se ade
oni ne ntia me ka sa ye memu ha oni chen konkonsa organa ha pa
serious
oni mi say
serious konkonsa wa ha na pasem surasa
yes obi di me akwatena radio station bi so say omo mo ye Galamsey na bi ba me program so na me de mintimi mbo mudin mi wa ono so ntimi ambodi wo so ni mi nkofo ye Galamsey omo ba me show so but enkwafo pasem trust and the ma konkonsa into bet yeso na no hin to say kukufa say Kwami say where is who ko bi say body
no nyina wo professor
na efe mu dwane
enne ye ka say there is corruption in government no bi aka say ye nkofo evidence mra nti say am evidence ama na che say corruption eni ho ye betu aka na sa ye betu aka na sa obi aka say corruption wo mai mu
yo
na obi bi say okay one for corruption evidence in my idea and the corruption ho and you into me so
yo enti ya back ke go for so sa
the corruption in Ghana
Ayo.
corruption in abem
enti obi
and the enchi obi
ayo enti Galamsey no
Galamsey granzu ni ho
ayo
Galamsey enchi obi
ayo
there was a message at the chairman general at me asande ediama eye Okatakyie Afrifa no oye bema omodin na yensha de ebesi ewo kroma se politician wey na etu Galamsey wo ye bema no obodin eti prophet Kofi Oduro na no kwese da na ose eti de mpanyumfo yi ye panti ye de mpanyumfo yi ye enne yensua senti oba kwa wo so onwo na akra ne tie mienu na ensa enka ose eye enum na me yensa pe na aba me nyina ye yade a yenya free nsu a esa ya yenum mu ene abusua ensuo hwewa osi ehwe me nkasa pete me so Prophet Kofi Oduro tie abusua yentie mra.
Look at the way we have destroyed this nation with Galamsey. Show me pictures. Show me pictures of Galamsey. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. You are here saying, God bless our homeland, Ghana. Do you think if I am a Galamseyer, I will be standing here this morning? Me too, Galamseyer. Do you think the people doing this nonsense have people who are in authority powering them? One pump action gun is 40,000 Ghana cedis. So who buys pump action guns and give to these people who are able to face the police and the soldiers? They can face them because they have been empowered by people in authority. They have eaten their cake and they are still looking for it. Wicked leaders will be judged. Now Ghana Medical Association is telling the Republic of Ghana that stop every act, whether it's Galamsey or small scale mining, whatever, stop it immediately. Because now we are having children with 2 heads, children with only 3 fingers. If it comes more, 17 fingers. We are having birth deformations from the chemicals of this menace. And we have a president of this country. We have a cabinet of this country. We have a parliament of this country who looks on irresponsibly. You know, at least we have a chief in this country who is trying, can these 2 people. You are Galamsey. Your Majesty, or say to the second, at least you are trying. That trying should be the leadership of this nation. Look at the way the church is quiet about this menace. This menace. Your members are going to be dying of kidney failures and leukemia and all kinds of cancers from this. This Galamsey, show me pictures, please. This Galamsey thing is not going to be a joke. I mean, when are we going to fix this? America. Now, do you see America doing this? Do you see even South Africa, who does a lot of mining? I have been to many mining sites in South Africa. You will clap. Greed! Greedy people. Money over everybody's life. Ask Pastor Dr. Ibrahim, seated here. 16 years. I met a woman at the pharmacy, the other day. Said, Prophet, pray for my daughter. I said, where is your daughter? She said, she's in the car. I went to the car. I saw a beautiful young girl, but very sick and weak. I said, how old is your daughter? The woman said, 16 years old. And I said, what is wrong with your daughter? Kidney failure, stage 5. Kidney failure, stage 5. We have all kinds of leaders here. So when your prophets, some of them wants to talk, God has revealed to me who will win this election. You are very irresponsible. We don't care about this election. We care about sensible people who wants to do sensible things. We don't care who win. I'm telling you. And we don't care about your party. NPP, and I don't care about your party. I have told you many times. I don't care about your party. You came here as a soul. My job is to preach to you. Finish.
Enti abusu na chese Galamsey ate say wo man Ghana mu na ese yemfudie ene yensuo no na Prophet Kofi Oduro enso ede na no atomu no mene ne ya adwene completely. Mene ne ya adwene 100% because ya nyanhwe ha ho asofofo no bi wo ho a mu de so chese sikadie ne ade nto mutimi se kire nka. But Prophet Kofi Oduro so on there obeka tie untie kra obetie sanetie ai feel free so be share on your comment section of a video wahwe ho na wi a wahye so ma onua bi ensa atumi aka aha strong media GH edin no e di AG meda wase na mama omo ene hwe makraw